Get mad love in my city, I'm the man in it. They ain't see this shit coming, it's that real.
Gotta make sure I'm recording, bro. I'm out of breath. Feel like I'm at a concert, nigga. No cap. We got Half Naked and Almost Famous. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, nigga. That last reaction, that bitch was that, nigga. I'm tired, nigga. I'm sweating bullets, nigga. No cap. Listen. Grind don't stop. Shit, please go tap in that last reaction. That hold me down. Stop playing. I say that boy cold. We gotta see what this about, bro. Bro, I hope this nigga don't let me down with the show, bro. Cause we can cap it off on this right now, nigga. No cap.
First album, actually from an EP of my first album. The song is called Half Naked and Almost Famous.
Come on, man. Turn this up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Listen, I'm down there at the concert, nigga. No cap. MG car.
And if anybody knows the words in here, please feel free to sing along.
I'ma try. No cap.
Way to bring another round, please. Bring that motherfucker back. A couple more till I get out, please. Cause y'all don't know how to act, but I don't give a fuck. Can I live? Cause we be doing too much shit. Just a couple of kids from east side of the 216. Bumming the dollar in a dream, real shit. Every day I wake up higher than the night before. Blacking out every night on tour. 5 a.m. we jumping in the pool and I'll draw to the couch. Come run, fuck the law. I was born to be wild. Sex, rock and roll and weed pals. Running from the old scene now.
Oh!
Walking the green mile.
I ain't gonna lie. That float, I ain't gonna lie. That shit remind me of a little TV commercial. Like, not no TV commercial. A TV, y'all know the intro? I don't know, bro. It's something. I think I heard that, like, type of sound flow something before, nigga. No cap.
I was born to be wild. Sex, rock and roll and weed pals. Running from the old scene now. Following my steps, then you walk in the green mile. There's trees in my pockets like my denims in greenhouse. Leave my teeth out. Tell me what's my age again. How many hours till I rage again? This is the story of a young boy in the page we in. Say that he off chasing fame again. And there he goes right there. Almost famous, bitch.
Yeah. Alright.
Here's the part.
Listen. Bro, bro. You can't have no crowd, no bitches, no nothing in your song. I'm getting turned. No cap, that little crowd sounded nice. Yeah.
Say it.
Hey, yeah.
They getting almost famous. All of these wild nights in all those places. I am half naked and almost famous.
Almost famous.
And when I get on, I ain't changing. Orlando, lace up.
Oh no, all jokes aside. Hey, this song ain't no coincidence, nigga. I'm half naked right now, nigga, and I'm almost famous. I can feel it off the energy, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. The turnters I get in my video, like the more like adrenaline to get the rush in my video, I just know that bitch gonna go crazy, bro. No cap. Every video I done got super hyped to, like a super hype reaction. Nigga, them bitches up there, nigga. No cap. No cap.
Kill. Come rage with the machine, bitch. ESC the team, bitch. Never got a college degree, too busy raising hell like it was Friday the 13th, bitch. Fuck clothes and fuck clothes.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This bitch ain't fucking with the other one. No cap. This bitch alright.
$100 worth of munchies, drunk clothes, 89 cents slushy in the cup bowl. Don't know where I'm going, but we going, baby, what's home? Maybe I'll just map quest my dream. It'll say the address was me. So what I really wanted all along became a flash fatigue. I've been a pro, I just dodged the lead. California dreams, when we sitting the butt of the creek, the weather in. Wishing for heat, I guess I need to see the leather man. Yeah, I just wanna be a forever man. Rolling Peter Pan, light it up unless it's Neverland. Sing it, we light it up unless it's Neverland. We light it up unless it's Neverland. Yeah, I just wanna be a forever man. Rolling Peter Pan,
No
light
cap.
it up unless it's Neverland.
Bitch! Ooh! 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 I ain't gonna lie, that ending saved it. I ain't gonna lie. It like, nah, that bitch is straight overall. It ain't no save. You know, she can't save nothing that don't need to be saved. But that ended like, it boosted it up a little bit. No, they all say more than what it was. But that, yeah, that bitch, the crowd saying that bitch turned me up. No cap. But look, grind don't stop. Since this bitch wasn't as hype, I'm not even gonna force myself into the next one. Grind don't stop. Tap in. Half naked. Almost famous, nigga. No cap. Grind don't stop. You know what I'm saying?
You wanna come on here? Yeah, whole lot of shit. Yeah, slide here. Yeah. Niggas can tell.